Chapter 2 From Trade to Territory, History Class 8. So today we are going to discuss questions and answers of this chapter. So question 1. Who gave the charter to English East India Company? Ruler of England, Queen Elizabeth I, gave the charter to English East India Company. Question 2. What do we mean by mercantile company? Mercantile company buy goods at cheap prices and sell them at higher prices. Question 3. When did East India Company establish its first factory? East India Company established its first factory in 1651 on a bank of Hooghly River. Now, question 4. Name any two Indian items that the English companies traded with India. Ocha pepper, clove, cardamom, etc. Who discovered the sea route to India to trade? Answer: Vasco da Gama. Who led the British into the Battle of Plassey? Robert Clive. Who became Nawab after the defeat of Siraj-ud-Dowla? Mir Jafar. Now, question 8. What is the significance of Battle of Plassey? The significance of Battle of Plassey is to seize control over Bengal, which East India Company win under the leadership of Robert Clive. Which Nawab led the Bengal army in the Battle of Buxar? Mir Qasim. Who were the residents? The residents were political or commercial agents, and their job was to serve and further the interests of the company. Now, question 11. Who introduced the subsidiary alliance system? Lord Wellesley. Who devised the policy of doctrine of lapse? Lord Dalhousie. Name some territories that fell in British hands because of doctrine of lapse. Jhansi, Udaipur, etc. What reasons were given by the British to annex Awadh? The reason was given by the British to annex Awadh was that the Nawab of Awadh failed to pay the subsidiary alliance. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you find this video helpful.